What's up, you beautiful people? My name is Aditi. Very warm welcome to my channel. Somebody asked me, "Hey Aditi, I love your podcast. Can you talk about your journey? How did you make it happen? Kya laga? What all is required to start a podcast? And just talk about your journey." So here I am. I'm going to talk about how to start your podcast with absolutely bare minimum because that is how I started. And I hope you find this video informative. Let's begin. Number one, I want you to define your podcast concept. Now, I want you to identify आपको किस चीज़ पे बोलना है, आपका niche क्या है, आपका area of interest क्या है podcast के लिए, and then consider topics that you are absolutely passionate about, that is close to your heart or you have an expertise in, as well as what would also appeal to the mass ऑडियंस, टारगेट ऑडियंस आपका क्या होगा, कैसा होगा, आपका डेमोग्राफिक कैसा होगा. सो मैं 31 की हूँ राइट नाउ एंड आई न्यू मेरा टारगेट ऑडियंस वुड बी समवेयर अराउंड 25 to 35 40 का रेंज है मेरा टारगेट ऑडियंस का. एंड व्हाट आर देयर इंटरेस्ट लाइक एंड व्हाट इज़ माई इंटरेस्ट लाइक एंड मैं किस चीज़ पे बना सकती हूँ या बात कर सकती हूँ. आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड कि आई एम नॉट a pro or an expert in one specific topic, but I do my research and whatever मुझे ऐसे लगता है that I find it very interesting, I make it a point to share it with you guys, and that is how somewhere I defined the podcast concept of Kaipan Aditi. I love to talk about everything, just like getting on a call and letting my friend know. Both of my friends do not belong to the social media in general, and so they are from the tech industry, and so when I give them a call, they love to know what is up, what is trending, what is going on, and then I'll just update them. Okay, this is big news, and like this is what is happening. Met Gala is happening, and like so and so is wearing so, and this is why it's controversial, and just talking about concepts and topics in general that is interesting to me. Number two, I want you to plan out your episodes. This is where the format, the structure of the episode, the content of the podcast comes in. सोचो, डिटरमाइन करो कि ये आपका सोलो एपिसोड होगा या इंटरव्यू टाइप एपिसोड होगा या कुछ आप डिस्कस कर रहे हो एक टॉपिक को लेके, या कैसा कॉम्बिनेशनल फॉर्मेट होगा, या आप कोई गेस्ट ला रहे हो, उनके साथ बैठ के आप बात कर रहे हो. क्या होगा आपका कॉन्सेप्ट, आपका टॉपिक क्या होगा, किस चीज़ पे होगा. प्लान आउट एंड देन ऑल्सो क्रिएट अ कॉन्टेंट कैलेंडर. दैट हेल्प्स आउट अ लॉट फॉर मी. आई पर्सनली यूज़ Notion and it has helped me out a lot. Like efficiency has become to the max for me to organize my episodes कि okay, ये संडे को ये एपिसोड जाएगा, नेक्स्ट संडे को ये एपिसोड जाएगा, एंड दिस इज़ द टॉपिक दैट आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन. सो I start structuring it out and writing out and scheduling ahead of time, because a lot of pieces of content needs to be put out personally for me, because I'm also a YouTuber creator as well as a podcaster, so दोनों जगह जाता है and it's a lot. And also then I have to put out content on Instagram and YouTube shorts, reels and shorts. That's a lot. Yeah. Number three, I want you to pick a name. Choose a name for your podcast. Now let it be थोड़ा सा catchy, थोड़ा सा memorable, एकदम ज़ुबान पे आ जाए. Like आओ बहन चुगली करे. This is such a like very niche, very desi name. Like I want you to figure out, reflect on it, figure out क्या होगा, and don't overthink it. The best thing I would tell you and advise you is don't overthink it. Whatever you feel is good for you and it defines who you are, that's it. And also ensure, ये मैंने नहीं किया था, ensure that the name that you end up deciding for your podcast does not already exist. मेरा पहले प्लान था पॉडकास्ट का कि आई शुड नेम इट कुछ भी अदिति, मतलब कुछ भी बात करेंगे हम, एवरीथिंग, कुछ भी. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड, ओ नो, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर यूजिंग कुछ भी समथिंग सो एंड सो, कुछ भी सो एंड सो. डोंट ओवर थिंक द नेम. द लॉन्गर यू ओवर थिंक, द मोर यू आर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग इन टू एक्चुअली डाइविंग एंड रिकॉर्डिंग, राइट? डोंट ओवर थिंक. यू थिंक दिस नेम इज़ गुड, go for it. Don't overthink it. अब आते हैं हम रिकॉर्डिंग पे. रिकॉर्डिंग योर एपिसोड. यूज़ योर स्मार्टफोन. आई स्टार्टेड विथ माई स्मार्टफोन. मेरे हाथ में फ़ोन था एंड आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग. That's it. I hit the record. Phone का जो recorder है ना, I started with that. I hit the record button. I put it on my mouth and I just started recording la 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 la, like you record a WhatsApp audio note, exactly like that. And I just started with that. And then 4 weeks to 2 to 3 months down the line, I knew I was serious about it. And it's only then that I thought about, okay, I want to invest in a mic, but I don't want to invest in like a Rode microphone directly. So I invested in a lapel microphone that I can just attach it here on my shirt, and it's working fine for me. आपने रिकॉर्ड तो कर लिया, अब आप एक्सपोर्ट करोगे आपके वीडियो एडिटर पे. आई जस्ट एडिट इट ऑन माई रेगुलर वीडियो एडिटर. ऑडियो एडिट करती हूँ. यू डोंट नीड अ स्पेसिफिक ऑडियो एडिटर टू एडिट अ पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड. जस्ट मेक श्योर आप जहाँ पे भी हो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो, इट्स नॉट वेरी एकोई, नॉट वेरी लाउड, एंड जस्ट मिनिमम बैकग्राउंड नॉइज, बिकॉज everybody is now only focusing on your audio. They don't have visuals to see you, right? So make sure आप जो बोल रहे हो वो काफ़ी clear आ रहा है. Just do it. Anchor for podcast, Google करो, put it out there. They will do everything for you. They'll distribute your one episode to multiple platforms you can think of. Apple हो गया, Apple Podcast, and then also Spotify, and then Google Podcast, and they just distribute it to all the platforms they are associated with, and then they give you a RSS link that you can use it as a distribution link and connect it to other platform like JioSaavn हो गया या YouTube Podcast हो गया. It will help a lot. Just this platform Anchor, I love the platform. I want you to create something catchy, something, eye-catching. एक नज़र में ही लगे कि ooh, what is that? Like, what is that, brother? And just use the free design tools. Again, you might think, oh no, I need a professional thumbnail designer, or like somebody who knows how to do digital illustration. You can hire somebody for sure, but then again, I was starting at bare minimum and I did not want to overthink the design aspect of it. So I just ended up opening up Canva and I started designing, and the initial first 4-5 images that I had were so bad, and then I ended up with something like this currently that I have, and I love it. It's a journey, and I had people who would point out, okay, no, this looks bad, this looks bad, this looks bad, and I just put it out on Instagram for people to judge me, and I told them, hey, I need some help. What do you like as a cover for my podcast? And people pointed out, okay, no, this looks good, keep this one, and then that helped. Yeah. अब आपने ये सब कर लिया, अब आता है प्रमोशन का टाइम. आप ही आपके बिगेस्ट प्रमोटर हो, पब्लिसिटी वाले पर्सन हो, PR पर्सन आप खुद के ही हो. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू यूटिलाइज ऑल द सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म दैट आर अवेलेबल. Instagram, X, Facebook, just everything and anything that you can think of, put it out there. Pinterest, and promote like anything, because I'll talk more about the harsh realities that come with podcasting, but yeah, one of the best publicity people you can come across is your own family. So just start pushing out to your mom, to your dad, to your friends, to your followers, to your family, sibling, everybody you can think of. Tell them to, hey, subscribe and also leave a review. That will help me a lot. करना तो पड़ेगा यार, पब्लिसिटी खुद के लिए कर रहे हो, किसी और के लिए नहीं कर रहे हो. एफर्ट तो लगेगा बॉस, ऐसे ही नहीं सब लोग इतने ऊंचाई पे पहुंच गए हैं, राइट? अब हम बात करेंगे कंसिस्टेंसी के बारे में. कंसिस्टेंसी, दैट्स इट. You need to be absolutely consistent in putting out, publishing content online. Now, I want you to have a schedule fixed कि आप मंथली एक एपिसोड डाल रहे हो पॉडकास्ट का, आप वीकली डाल रहे हो, बाई वीकली डाल रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. स्टिक विथ दैट फॉर्मेट फॉर अ वाइल एंड build up your audience slowly. Again, this platform is very slow unless you're doing like paid marketing, then it's a different game in itself. But if we are starting with bare minimum and I do not want to invest in advertisements, this is how you go about it. Last but not the least, monitor and adopt this is where you want to track your podcast, you want to look at the analytics, you want to see the metrics behind each and every episode. कितने डाउनलोड आए हैं, कितने लोग सुन रहे हैं, कौन ऑडियंस क्या है, डेमोग्राफिक है, कौन शेयर कर रहा है. And then also you want to listen to the feedbacks of the user of what they're saying, as how you can improve day in and day out. I want to talk about some harsh reality checks and truths that I had learned over time, जो शायद आपको सुनने ना मिले. Number 1, you need a strong vocal presence, how to talk, what to talk, and having a good sense of presence of mind, a good sense इनटू ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कहाँ जा रहा है और मैं कैसे ये लंबा सकता हूँ कॉन्वर्सेशन, सो दैट द कॉन्वर्सेशन कीप्स गोइंग. अगेन यू नीड टू रिमेंबर, आपका अगर पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड 15 से 20 मिनट का है, सो यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड ब्रिंग आउट इंटरेस्टिंग थाट्स. लाइक यू नीड अ गुड स्टोरी. कमिंग टू सेकेंड पॉइंट, यू नीड अ गुड स्टोरी टू गेट टू वेर यूर गोइंग. वो कॉन्वर्सेशन चलते रहना चाहिए. इमेजिन आपको 15 मिनट का स्लॉट मिला है एंड आप फिल ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो वो गैप, आपके पास कुछ नहीं है बोलने को, दैट वुड बी हॉरिफिक. कुछ भी नहीं है. सो choose and pick very wisely. Sit down if you think you don't have anything to talk about. 15 मिनट बहुत लंबे होते हैं, बहुत लंबे होते हैं. Sit down, pick a topic. ये और ये इस पे बात करना है. आज इसने ऐसा किया, उसने आज ऐसा किया, लाइफ में ऐसा चल रहा है. whatever you want to talk about, write it down. That's exactly what I think David Dobrik did. If you've heard his podcast, it's called Views. It's on Spotify, and he and Jason, they sit down. They both have 3 or 4 topics they want to discuss, and they go back and forth and talk about it and walk it through. And then he has his friends come over and बीच में वो लोग बात करते हैं. Just I think his form, if you really want to understand what I mean when I say कि you have to keep the conversation going, truly if you want to understand that term, listen to his podcast Views. You'll understand कि हाँ वो लोग conversation लंबाते हैं, right? Next up, now if you don't have a guest, it is only you who will be talking at the end of the day. So try talking or practicing for 10 minutes straight, because ना मुंह दुख जाता है. Trust me when I say this, इतना मुंह दुख जाता है कि कभी कभी ऐसे भी होता है कि एक टेक में आपका होता नहीं है, तो आपको बार बार बोलना पड़ता है. एंड देन आई हैव टू जस्ट स्टॉप एंड आई हैव टू कम बैक लेटर इन द डे एंड सिट डाउन एंड री रिकॉर्ड. सो रिमेंबर, lot of vocal training also happens in this, and you have to have a vocal presence, right? Number 4, if you are a nobody, if you are a no one, building a podcast, it's an excruciatingly painfully slow process. It might take you a year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, 15 year. So आप अगर चालू कर रहे हो तो सेट कर लो माइंड कि बॉस हम 15 साल करेंगे तब हमें जाके कहीं कुछ मिलेगा. Because I knew I am a nobody, I started from scratch. I don't have any industry connection. Bollywood में कहीं कोई connection नहीं. I cannot bring in big names and big celebrities and big stars. I knew this is going to be a slow process, so I had to buckle in before I started, and I needed to understand if I truly liked doing what I did, तभी मैं कुछ आगे कर पाऊँगी, वरना ये छूट जाएगा बीच में से, right? Number 5, a lot of people who are entering the podcasting industry already have a very good established audience on Instagram or on YouTube. So उनको supporters रहेंगे पहले से ही और बहुत ज़्यादा, and they will at least come and listen to them once. So understand, अगर आपका कोई audience नहीं है तो it will take longer. ये भूलना नहीं है आपने. Again, next up, do not expect your friends, ये बहुत हार्ड वे भी नहीं है, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व करके सीखा है. डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट योर फ्रेंड्स टू सपोर्ट यू इन एनी वे, शेप और फॉर्म. यू वुड थिंक कि योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, योर फैमिली वुड बी योर बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर, बट दे वोंट, बिकॉज दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, दे जस्ट डोंट गेट इट. दे माइट बी टू बिजी लिविंग देयर ओन लाइफ, डूइंग देयर ओन थिंग, एंड यू आर योर बेस्ट मार्केटिंग चैनल, पीरियड. Bus. Send out direct messages. Just keep sending, keep blasting, promoting messages on your Instagram, on your story, on your WhatsApp story. Put it as status. If you have a Telegram, put it out there. Just put it on Reddit. As many platforms as you can put it out there, just do it. You are your best marketing platform. Your mouth is your best marketing channel at this point, and do not expect anybody to support you. If कोई support करता है, that's amazing. But if not, that's okay too. You are your best marketing channel. नंबर 7, अगर आपको लगता है इंटरव्यू ये जो हो रहे हैं वो फ्री है, आप गलत सोच रहे हो. इफ़ यू रीच आउट टू समबडी फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, दे विल चार्ज you. So either have a lot of money so that you can pay them, or be very well connected and have a big network of people so that they can come in and sit down and have a chat and interview with you for free. Or nothing else works, get on the street, start interviewing, street style interviews, start doing that. They really work well. Yeah. Next up, I want you to again decide नीश क्या है आपका, सो पीपल नो फ्रॉम वेयर टू एक्सपेक्ट वॉट ये पर्सन है, ये पर्सन से मैं ये एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हूँ. एंड दे लाइक, आई मीन सी, देर लिटरली millions and millions of podcast episodes that are being uploaded every single day. So why would they want to come and listen to you? So you do have to figure out कि आपका नीश क्या होगा, right? Figure that out. And of course, it helps a lot if you sign up with a network. सो दे कैन ब्रिंग यू मोर स्पॉन्सर्स. अब ये नेटवर्क हो सकता है कि वो स्पॉटिफाई एक्सक्लूसिव होते हैं ना, स्पॉटिफाई एक्वायर्स योर पॉडकास्ट एंड देन दे ब्रिंग यू स्पॉन्सर्स, दे मार्केट इट फॉर यू, दे एडिट योर कॉन्टेंट फॉर यू, दे डू एवरीथिंग फॉर यू. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज सिट डाउन, इंटरव्यू पीपल, एंड दैट्स दैट. आपका वैल्यू, आप खुद ब्रांड हो, आपका वैल्यू है. अगर आप वो चेयर पर बैठे हो, आप किसी से इंटरव्यू बात कर रहे हो, आप क्या बात कर रहे हो, आप वैल्यू ला रहे हो नहीं ला रहे हो. बाकी आपको कुछ देखना नहीं है कि कौन एडिट कर रहा है, कैसे एडिट कर रहा है. सो इट really helps if you have a network who is backing you up. Podcast, it does help. And again, you'll be like, network क्यों मुझे sign up करेगा as one of their voices? And it would be only because I have a good audience or listenership coming in. And how would I have that? Is only when more people come and listen to me. But then if I'm starting from scratch, it will take me another 10 years. So now we are stuck in a loop. Right? So figure out your niche and start recording. That is all I can say right now. Your best option is कि भाई आप record करना चालू कर दो. That's it. Chances are, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, it would feel like it's just a phase. It will eventually wear off. 3-4 एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करूँगी एंड यूल बी लाइक, अरे आई एम बोर्ड यार, अब मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. सो जस्ट स्टार्ट एंड सी हाउ इट फील्स, वेर इट गोज़. लाइक, it's not everybody's cup of tea. I understand talking at length. I've been doing YouTube for over 10 years. Being a YouTube creator does help you realize and understand how difficult social media industry has been. And so just script it out, sit down, maybe start with like a 5-minute episode and see if you vibe, and then slowly build it up to 10, 15, 20-minute long episodes. That's what I did. I knew I wanted to get better, and so I started the January marathon, and then I also did the March marathon. So with those, I sat down and I was like, I'm good at it, let me upload every single day. And so I did upload like 30 episodes in January, 28, 29 in March, and just back to back रोज एक episode नया. And that was a lot. So yeah, these were a few harsh truths, harsh reality checks that I've gotten when I was building. I'm still building. I'm pretty small podcaster. Again, help me out if you've not heard any of my content. It's Kaipan Aditi. You can listen to it now on YouTube as well. I'm available on Spotify. I'm available on Apple Podcasts. Yeah, I hope you guys do tune in. That's it for today. I appreciate your time. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.